past several years, I've been using oven mitts that look like this, but I find them very cumbersome and hard, even though they are short, easy to get on and off. I don't like my wrist being exposed because I'll burn my wrist, but I can't really grab anything. So that is why I ended up getting this pair of oven gloves. I really like them. They've got non-stick like on both sides so you can't get burned, and they're longer on my wrist so that's not exposed, and I can pick up things. If I need to. I can pick up my spatula a whole lot easier, hold on to my cookie tray, and just I feel so much better with these. I like them really well. And that's just my honest opinion.